Let's take a look at what the Siren interface looks like from the perspective of a collaborator. So in this case, we are in the interface as Brad Wellington, and Brad has a few rewards already added. He's been paid $1.80. He has $13.65 in unpaid rewards, and none of his rewards have been rejected. And then here you can see the history of the payouts that have been paid to him or are owed to him. So it looks like we still owe him $13.65, and he can see that right here. He can also see the status of the payment and understand whenever he's been paid or when he's about to be paid or any of that stuff. Brad also has access to the engagements that he's been associated with. Here, Brad can see that today he's been associated with 2 engagements. He's had 2 conversions. Same thing with this week and this month, because literally all of this just happened today while I've been recording this video. So he is also in 2 programs, the blog content program and the affiliate program. And you can see here that he's had engagements for both of those programs. Now, if we go to coupons, we can see that Brad has 1 coupon code called Doing Well. And if he had any more, they would be visible right here. From the dashboard, Brad also has access to a URL generator where he's able to generate a referral link for any page on this site. So if he were to go here and he wanted to go to the blog, he could simply type that in, and then clicking on this will copy it to the clipboard. Brad also has access to the WordPress profile. So if this is customized in any meaningful way, you can also use this to be able to extend what Brad can do. If Brad were an author, or if Brad were a course creator, or anything else like that, all of those different things would display here on the left side. So this is kind of a unique thing about Siren, where collaborators are actually treated as users within the WordPress context, where they're actually treated as collaborators, true collaborators, in the sense that it's possible that these people could be authors, they could be course creators, they could be affiliates, they could be a combination of all of those things. So they're treated as actual users, not just secondary people who happen to interact with us in some way. Now, if we go to the store, there's a little button up here in the top that's kind of handy called Get Referral Link. So if I click on a beanie, for example, and let's say Brad wanted to recommend this beanie to somebody, he could navigate to the page and click on Get Referral Link, and it will instantly and automatically copy that referral link to his clipboard so that whenever he goes to share this, he can do it without needing to know what his special code is or anything like that.